Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to download songs on Spotify. Open the Spotify, then click on your profile picture, then click on settings and privacy, then click on audio quality. Now go to download and select it as very high. Then press the home button, then select the song. Now select the songs into playlist, then select the song and click on three dots. Now click on add to playlist, then select one song, click on done or click on download icon from the top of the playlist or click on three dots of playlist, then click on download. From the bottom, click on library. Now click on play icon from top right, then click on playlist. Now enter the playlist name and create. By following these steps, you can download songs on Spotify.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.